In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then go to System, and here click on Developer Options. If you cannot find developer options here, just take a look on our tutorial which will show you how to unlock developer mode in this device, and then smoothly click to open. Now scroll a bit lower and here it is, System Demo Mode. Tap on it, and if you would like to enable demo mode, tap on the switcher and then tap on the one below to show it. As you can see now, everything is fully set up as demo mode, so it is it. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.